Hello everybody, my name is Elzebeir. Welcome to my channels. If you are new to the channel, this channel is about how to make money online, how to invest in the stock market, how to invest in cryptocurrency, personal finance. If these type of content that interest you, please subscribe, support the channels, comment below, and like the video. Since we get that out of the way, so in today's video we're gonna talk about five websites are free to use this year 2020 to make some extra cash. If you get that idea what you need a lot of money, you don't need a lot of money to start your own business or to have the financial freedoms you need, to have that financial goal. That everybody's financial goal is different. You don't need a lot of money to get that financial goal. Alright, so let's begin. This is 5 websites to get started in 2020. Alright, so our first website is Fiverr. Fiverr, it's a freelancer website where people come to Fiverr to buy service like video editor, software, design. So basically, if you know how to do something, if you're a designer, a development, a writers, or a video editor, you could put your server into Fiverr and people will request your server as low as $5. They're not much, but they add up. Like, do not underestimate these. They do add up over time, and the more good at something, the more people will request you, especially you. So if you know something, go to Fiverr, get an account, get started. Fiverr has a lot of things from Lego. You could there's a lot of things in Fiverr. Graphic and design. Lego. You want to design your own Lego company, print and design, anything. Poster, anything you could think of, you can outsource. It's basically an outsource. Computers, CIO, web analyzer. You can even buy an e-commerce website. This guy I'll draw a character of your comic. This guy, you can use this to create a shirt. You can put this on a shirt and sell it, or on a mug and sell it. Or on a phone case and sell it on eBay or other source. The highest is 50. So there's a lot of way you can make money. Alright, so that's the first website, which is Fiverr.com. Alright, our second website will be Amazon. Amazon is the largest e-commerce store, or the largest e-commerce store out there. What Amazon, there's a lot of way you can make money with Amazon using the power of Amazon. You can make a book. You can make book. You could e-commerce. You could do e-commerce. You could do a store on Amazon. You can sell t-shirt. You could do you can do a lot of things with Amazon. You can sell children's book. You even have to write the children's book. You can even outsource the children's book. Yes, you see what I'm saying? Like, you could outsource them. You can use Fiverr to outsource the children's book and publish them on Kindle, Amazon Kindle. Alright, so the model we're gonna talk about in this video is called affiliate. Become an affiliate. Basically, you earn 10% advertise fee just on e-commerce leader. So we discuss about this later. So your advertisement you can use. Basically, you get money. You see, you earn 7%. Earn on fashion and shoes and jewelry. Every time you promote somebody's, you get money. They're not a lot of money, just like I said. It's not a lot of money, but they do add up. And over time, they add up into 10,000. You can start making $10,000 a month. But you gotta work, you gotta grind, you gotta do some grind, you gotta put some sweat into it, you know. Yeah, I find the best way to promote Amazon affiliate, which is using YouTube. You can do a review on something and put the link below in the description. The more people they buy, the better. You can also create a website. You can create what they call the Oracle website. An Oracle website. Well, we will get to that in some other videos. So right now, so the number 2 is Amazon. Amazon affiliate. Alright, so that's number 2 is Amazon affiliate. Number 3 will be Printful. Printful is a survey that print on demand. So basically, every time somebody requests a shirt from you, will be made automatically. So in other words, there is no inventory. So in other words, you are selling something that does not exist. You are selling shirt that does not exist. Product they have from hats they get from man clothing, t-shirt. Just like I said, you don't have to become a designer. You can outsource. You can outsource everything. Put yourself. And they are integrated. They're integrated with most e-commerce platform. That's new. Online marketing place. See, they get Amazon, eBay. They get e-commerce platform. Wix is you build your own website. You can integrate to Wix. Online marketing, Amazon. So in other words, if somebody went to eBay and you already have a design set up, you put it on eBay, and somebody buy through eBay, Printful will get the notification saying that somebody bought a shirt. So they're going to prepare it, they're going to deliver it, and they will, even if the customer does not want it, they will handle everything. They will give you half and they will keep the rest. So yeah, pretty easy. You don't have to. You can easily outsource everything. You can start free. You can play with around, stuff like that. You don't have to take it. There's no inventory. You don't have to worry about nothing. No customer service. Nothing. All you need is some motivation, some action. Our third website. The second one is Printful.com. Our third website is Clickbank. Pretty sure you did hear of Clickbank before. I'm pretty sure everybody knows Clickbank. It's like the largest digital product there is. Most of the product are digital, so you don't have to worry about nothing physical. Now, also you could do 2 things. You can become a vendor, which is create your own product, or become an affiliate market through Clickbank. Clickbank has a lot of category, a lot of niches. You can start from art, entertainment, betting, business, and education, e-marketing. So Clickbank. So you promote this, press promote, and you get paid. Some of these courses they pay you monthly. So you can also use YouTube to track traffic. You can use YouTube to track traffic using Facebook. You can use Facebook, YouTube, Google's, display ads. You can use this to promote Clickbank's product. You can use YouTube, do a review on a product, and put a link below. Alright, so now our fourth one is Clickbank.com. Our fourth website is Udemy. Our last website is Udemy. Udemy is like the little man compared to Clickbank. Because Udemy, if you know something, you can put it on Udemy and sell it as low as $10. From business, design, photograph, development. You can teach people how to YouTube video content creators. See, YouTube video content personal development, science of leadership, $11.99. Marketing, it teach you how to advertise using social media, advertise using Facebook, advertise using Instagram, how to use Google AdWords course. People, you can literally put anything you know about here. You can how to buy Bitcoin mining, how to mine Bitcoin. There's no result. Okay, see, yep, $6.99. High rating, Bitcoin trading and Bitcoin mining crypto. So you could, if you know something, you could learn about Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. 32 minutes beginner, 9 lesson. You can literally make money using this. you can literally put something like how to create a Facebook page, how to create a website, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin, how to sell, deposit on Bitcoin. Most of these videos you could actually find on YouTube for free, but people are put them online. $11, $11.99, $11.99. This guy is a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber, and he put his link below. He put his link below. How many course? 41,000 student, and he sold the course for $11.99. 11. So you do the math. Tell me how much money is that? That's a lot. That's a lot of money, really. That's a lot of money, and it's like you can do literally really simple course. You can really do simple course to make money. You can just start using this. Well, guys, that's all I have for you guys for today. Before I go, just one more tips. Focus on one or two, so you don't want to get confused. You don't want to be all over the place. Just focus on 1, 2, and then master these 2, and then go out the next one, go out the next bucket. Alright, that's all you need. I mean, there's nothing stopping you but yourself. Stop being lazy. The year is just started. Think about what you need. Think about what is your financial goal is this year. What do you want to make a month? Put a number there and get started. Well, okay, my name is Elzebeir Mohamed. This is my channel. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, stay safe.